Now everyone call you a holy sight. Hallo, seeker, anyone looking for his Lord. Hallo, seeker, anyone love for his true Lord. I swear, I your Lord, Allah. I swear, I your Lord, Ell'own. I swear, I your Lord, Ell'own. I swear, and life, I your Lord, all Sundays on. Now everyone calling you a holy sight. Hallo, seeker, anyone looking for his Lord. Hallo, seeker, anyone love for his true Lord. I swear, I, your Lord, Allah. I swear, alive, all Sundays kind. I swear, the fig and the olive. I swear, the solis and mountain sinner. I swear, your soul is its secure life. I swear it, I've certainly created you. I swear mankind, the best of his stature made creation. Then I return you to the lowest of the lowless. Then I accept it for those who believe in me. Then I accept it when they do righteous deeds. Then I will have for them an interrupted reward. Now everyone call you a holy sight. Hallo, seeker, anyone looking for his Lord. Hallo, seeker, anyone love for his true Lord. So what caused you to deny the recompense? So what is an you believe it Allah is most just of children? Do you think is that what I extend to you is wealthy and children? So do I leave you in their confusion for a given time? Does mankind think is then I will not assemble his ponies? So I swear by the reproached soul to the certain of resurrection. Don't lose, yes, if an eye apple to proportion your fingertips. So why you mankind desires to continue in sin? Do now I do ask you, when is the day of resurrection? So when vision is busily resurrected and the moon darkness, does mankind think he will be left neglected? So then woe to you and woe your lost darkness. Doesn't you had was been a sperm from semen emitted? So then you was a killing clothes, and Allah created you. Does his unwanted family form and proportional of him? So made you two mates, the male and the female. Doesn't is that your creator able to give to the death? So I, Lord, certainly created mankind into hardship. Does you think that never will anyone overcome you? So later you say, I have lost my time, spent wealth in abundance. Doesn't you think your Lord, I the one have seen you? So does I have made for you a head with two eyes? Doesn't made you a mouth with tongue and two lips? So I do have shown you the both ways, two sides. But you has not broken through the difficult path. And what can make you know what is the difficult path? There's no breaking through the difficult path. It is freeing yourself of the Lord's slave. Thank you, my Lord.